Hi. Oh, I'm so bored. There's nothing to do right now. Sometimes life is so boring. Guess I'll just watch TV for a little while. Yeah, and go and I guess I'll just read a book. Let's see, I'll read a story I pick out. It's called The Death Story, I guess. I guess that's what it's called. Let's see, what's inside of here? I'm kind of scared. If you don't like someone, write their name and will die. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, they have a pen for me. Let's see. See if there's breaking news. Oh, breaking news. Justin Bieber just died. Yay. Let's see. Let's try. I'm not sure if I believe them entirely. Let's try.